Okay, you may have not have noticed that at the bottom of the page we have 3 sheets, one we're working in and 2 blanks. What we actually need to do is create a 4th sheet by hitting Insert Worksheet. So now we have 4 sheets, 3 of them are blank, and one of them has the items we've been working on. What they want us to do is select everything on this first sheet and copy it, and then what we're going to do is we're going to paste these on the other sheets. So just go ahead and paste those in. And now we have 4 sheets that right now are identical. And then what we'll do is we will adjust these and change these to fit our needs. But what they want us to do is select all 4 sheets, and we're going to do this for a few of the steps. But the easiest way to do that is hold down Shift, and notice all 4 sheets are now highlighted. So if I do something to one sheet when they're highlighted, it'll apply to all the other sheets. So with all those changed, I'm now on page 386. In cell C5, they want us to change these values. I'm just going down through the table. Table 6.4. And this is in cell E5. And if your numbers don't come out right, check your style, because that happened to me when I did this one other time. The style I did where I add the percentage in the blue item. So go back and change that, or check that if your numbers don't come out. And they should look similar to figure 6-33 on page 387. Okay, and what you want to do is just select each of the individual sheets to note that it did occur on all of the sheets, which is exactly what we wanted to happen. All right, I'm going to go to sheet 4 for a second, because what we're going to do now is start changing these items. On sheet 4, they want us to first rename this the top Public Works and change the color of this to be like a brown. I'm not really ultra concerned that the color is exactly brown, but at the sheet at the bottom they call it Public Works. Make that match, and make the color of your tab match the color of your top part of your sheet here. Tab color brown. And also on the sheet, what they want us to do, I'm on page 388, is in the B column is put in the values they give you, and this will drastically change your sheet. And be very careful to make sure the numbers match up on this. I always like to double check to make sure the numbers match up before I go into the next step, because it's quite easy to miss a number, especially when they're large and there are a lot of decimal places and things along that line. Okay, did it match up? No, I missed something already. See that? 299643. 38, 196, 210, 243, 853, 92. I was actually put too much in. Okay, something I didn't do earlier, but I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to actually highlight all the sheets to do this. Is I'm going to make these 3 cells currency. Actually, I should have done it down here. These need to be currency as well. And then these others need to be so that we have a number with 2 decimal places. Make sure it has 2 decimal places. Okay, and that again will transfer to the other sheets if we did that correctly.